And we're on East Dominick Street, near the Savoy restaurant. Get the fuck out of my lungs. And at the police here, Rome Rescue here. The original call was for a fire. I think it was just probably the kitchen. And they're definitely going into this building on East Dominick Street. Like I said, probably a kitchen fire, maybe an air conditioner. Electrical overload. Could have been a dryer. You'd be surprised how many laundry dryers cause fires. People don't clean out the lint in them. Or the tedious part of being a firefighter is the guy that has to wrap the hose. Here comes more of the Rome's finest. Gotta love our first responders. I like the guys with the axes and the picks. And fire factor 2 is returning. Beep, 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 beep. Give them a lot of space here. I can never catch them when they are leaving the firehouse, but I can usually catch them when they're coming back to the firehouse. They'll make good YouTube video. Everybody likes fire trucks. Kramer.